Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to start exercise 3.3. Question number 1 is find the characteristic. To find out the characteristic, you just have to write the values in scientific notation. Now for the first value, 57, point lies at the end of the value and the reference position is to the uh, left and decimal point is to the right. When decimal point is to the right of the reference position, the power is positive. So it becomes 5.7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1. Characteristic is equals to 1 in this case. Part 3 is 5.63. 5.63 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0, as it is already in the scientific notation. There is no movement of decimal, so power is 0 and characteristic becomes 0. Next value is 186000. In this case, we have to move the decimal point 5 positions, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So power becomes 10 raised to the power 5 and characteristic is equals to 5. In the next one, 0.71. Now in this case, the reference position is here and decimal is to the left of the reference position. So it becomes 7.1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 1. So characteristic is equals to negative. It is equals to minus 1. Now we move to question number 2. Question number 2 is find the following. You have to find the values of the logarithm. Means you have to find the characteristic as well as the value of mantissa, and then you can combine them to form the value of the log. So first question is question number 2, part 1, log of 87.2. To find out this one, first of all, write down the value in scientific notation. It becomes 8.72 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1. Now characteristic is equals to 1 in this case. To find out the value of mantissa, use your logarithm table, combine the first two values, that is 87. Now check the value of 87 in the column which is headed by 2, at the top of which number 2 is written. The value is 9405. So log of 87.2 is 1.9405. Now the fifth part of this question number 2 is 0.00159. In this case, when you write it in the scientific notation form, it becomes 1.59 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3, because the decimal is to the left of the reference position, so power is negative. Now characteristic is equals to minus 3. And to find out the mantissa, you have to look in your logarithm table. I've told you earlier that when you have to find the mantissa, just ignore the decimal point and concentrate on the values. The value is 159. It means you have to combine the first two digits. It becomes 15. Now look for the value of 15 in the column which is headed by 9. The value is 2014 and logarithm of this number becomes 3.2014. And note one thing, that when the characteristic is negative, you will place this negative sign over the characteristic, not before the whole value. It means only characteristic is negative, not the whole value is negative. Now question number 3 is find the logarithm. The question are same. You just have to find the value of logarithm in both question number 2 and question number 3. Now question 3 part 1 is 2476. You have to find the logarithm. First write down the value in scientific notation form. It becomes 2.476 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3. Characteristic is equals to 3. For the mantissa, check in your logarithm table the value of 24, first two digits, combine them, 24, and in the 7th column it is 3927. The value is 3927. Now again check the value of 24 under the column which is headed by 6 and check them in the difference column. The value is 11 and add this value to the previous value, so it becomes 3938. So logarithm of this number is 3.3938. Now, part 2 of this question is find the logarithm of 2.4. Now, write the value in scientific notation. It becomes uh, 2.4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0. Characteristic is equals to 0. And for the mantissa, check the value of 24. No next digit is there. So, check the value of 24 in the column which is headed by 0. The value is 3802. So log of 2.4 is equals to 0.3802. Now I have tried that I must have taken the different values. There are 3 digits, there are 5 digits, so 4 digits, 2 digits, that you should know how to take the mantissa of the number which are having different digits. Now you can find the mantissa of the remaining parts of question number 2 and 3 in the same way.